Hi you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Alright, so today I'm going to go ahead and get your daily readings to you. Always remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. If it resonates with you, feel free to book a reading with me to get something more in-depth and resonates more to your life. Follow me on Instagram, Oshun_the Great, to see my prices and my reviews. Also email me with any questions you have, oshunthegreat24@gmail.com. Alright, so let's see what's in store for us Wednesday. Alright, so a lot of you guys are going to be having trouble battling depression and despair and feelings of loss and loneliness this week. But this is a time that you must take extra care of yourself. So if you feel tired, get rest. If you feel like, you're dragging along, you can't work anymore, honor this cycle. You don't have to always push in order to succeed. You need equal amounts of rest. Make sure you drink lots of water, everything, all the good stuff. Stay away from negative energy, negative people. There will be people trying to drag you into their mess this week. Do not allow them to do that. So this could be past people trying to come back into your life, people trying to start arguments with you out of nowhere, whether it's work life, whether it's just everyday life. Your energy, people could just have jealousy towards you this week, but be wary, pick your battles wisely. Try not to juggle too much at once this week, especially in regards to work. If you are a suit and tie kind of person, definitely don't overwork yourself. Make sure you take a day or two off. Get your stuff together. Basically, make sure you ground yourself. All that good stuff. Alright, so this is about not letting negativity get to you. So a lot of you guys are highly sensitive people, empaths, light workers, but you got to learn how to control the energy that's being thrown your way. Use it as fuel. Become the alchemist. Turn it into something positive, whether it's YouTube videos, drawings, writings, whatever the case. Try to learn how to master your skills, and if that takes more research, so be it. But make sure you shield yourself every day before you leave the house by visualization. All that good stuff. So again, stay away from negative energy, people who try to peer pressure you into doing things that you don't want to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.